Hello everyone and welcome back. So, as you guys are aware, I moved and I've not been able to do battle reports for a while. I really wanted to do them as soon as I moved over, but the problem is companies have been really expensive. I saw people charging for a 6x4 table for about 10 grand, and let's be fair, I'm not paying that. So we're going to be making our own table, and all the stuff is right behind me. This is going to be kind of fun because you're either going to see something go very well or you're going to see me lose a few fingers. So either way, you're going to have fun. Me, not so much. But the idea here is I want to finish up the cafe project at the same time. As you guys see right in front of me, there's a bunch of cafe balloons. But there needs to be the table. I can't do a showcase to celebrate the 1 year anniversary of cafe without a table. So this table costs around £215, but this is including stuff that it gets reused, right? So power drill and the rest. I think in total it gets to around 150 when you get rid of like the power tools. So ultimately it's not an expensive table, and we're going to show you a bunch of stuff. There is a lot to come from this. I'm expecting this build to be done relatively quickly, mostly because I just haven't been sleeping lately, and we're going to see how it goes. So yeah, and rather than doing a 6x4 table, we're doing 8x4, mostly just so dead units can be put on the side. It's going to be easier for the battle reports in general. A few of the boards here, the full-on planks, unfortunately got, they were a bit warped, but it's perfectly fine. We do have some plans, which is over here, regarding the actual cutting list. So it's not too bad. And yeah, you can see some of the planning here for the cafeans. But yeah, we do have some actual plans. Whether or not that works, we'll have to wait and see, but I think we're all good. And yeah, we're doing this like pretty old school. So you can see over here, that is the price list. It's all from Wix. We decided that it was easier because they were quite close by. So this is going to be a multi-day project, mostly because we need to wait for some glue to set. The hardboard is going to be laminated onto the other section over there, and we said what, 24 hours?
Yeah, 24 hours to dry, because obviously it's a lot of area.
Yeah, because this is 8x4 fully, right?
Yes.
Which is great. We don't have to cut anything when it comes to this. But yeah, Kuma's here. He's helping out. Oh, you okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Like, we haven't had the accident first, right? It's just been, we're about 10 minutes into the build. Like, there's no accident just yet.
Yeah.
Yet. All right, so we've got some rollers, some massive amount of PVA, essentially. Well, it's wood adhesive, but same thing, right?
Yep.
We're
just going to spread this on the back of the hardboard, and then...
Do we only have one roller?
Got two.
Oh, great. No, I mean...
Yeah, one hand roller, yeah. But yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well,
that's fine. I'll do the job.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to be a fast one, but I think it's going to be kind of fun. Like, after this, you guys are going to get battle reports on a weekly basis, maybe even two, because like there's not a lot going on for Total War, so I need to start doing stuff or else I'm going to lose my mind.
Absolutely.
Right, so we've only got one roller, and we don't have like the camera set up right now for like on the ceilings just yet, so Kuma's jumping into here. And essentially it's just putting one of the sections here, because it was just for a bit of extra height, right? Because this table's supposed to be about, I think it was 90 centimeters tall?
Thereabouts, yeah.
Yeah, because it's going to get tall enough for the functionality that we want, because the plan is essentially to change some stuff around, change some light fixtures, which is all good, and make sure that the battle reports are going to be better in terms of quality. Well, that's the plan. It's going to be a working process, and we should be okay. Do we have enough PVA?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, all right. Right, the microphone's not connected, so it's going to be a bit weirder audio, but he found the better way. So he's been using a scraper, and this turned into like a 2-minute job. So much better. And I'm just keeping these areas dry in the corners as we're waiting. There's a bit of a mess in the house because obviously it's construction and the rest. Okay, so we've got the MDF on the hardboard. The hardboard's at the bottom. That's all. That's all drying. We're a bit. That was heavier than expected. Yeah. But it's all good. It's all good. Right. So now 24 hours.
Yeah, just put a bit of weight on it.
Yeah, we're working on cafeans anyway. So we got a little bit of stuff, and we'll see how it goes. Mm-hmm. Right. I need a cold drink.
Yeah. Drink time.
Right, we're getting the legs done right now. This is the beginning after the hardwood and the MDF were glued up. It's a bit of work. I'm holding it up whilst Kumar is getting the cuts in. And yeah, we're going to do 6 legs on this table, which is going to be good in a few cross sections. The idea of just getting as much stability as possible, because we have loads of metal armies coming in, you know? Right, the legs are done. We've got 6 of them up. We're going to start cutting up the cross members, and then we're going to start putting up the frame. So this should be doable, and we've got to glue. We have to glue these two together, right? Yeah. Because we're going for a little bit of extra height, because Kumar himself is quite tall, and we want good angles, especially when we start changing up the lights on the ceiling, and also the thing. Oh, well, this is still here, so maybe that didn't get too much. Get a bit more work done. We're just getting some holes done here. What would you say it was called again?
Pilot drills, so that the screws can go in properly and then anchor to the other one. And then I'm going to countersink them to make sure that the head of the screw stays flush.
Yeah. So he's getting the power tool done here. So I'm getting something done for the channel at the moment.
There we go. And now countersink. It's as easy as that.
That side's already done, countersink and everything.
Yeah, so we got quite a lot done. I think the table's going to be done by the end of the week.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to start getting the rest up soon.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, it'll be done in no time.
Yeah. It's very hot today, isn't it?
It's very hot today, I don't know how.
Okay, we are working on the frame now, which it's going to be done basically within a day or two.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not... Nope. Things are falling. Yeah. No, but this is cool. This is cool. It's going to be a big table. It's going to be 8x4, guys. So the idea here is just to have some extra room in case, you know, it's dying. And we want a lot of extra room anyway. Trust me, there's a vision for the Battle Report studio at the end, because it's going to be multifunctional. It's not just for the old world. There's going to be 40k. There's going to be kill team. So more Warhammer more often. I've got shoes everywhere too. So we've sorted out the 4 legs on the corners. We still need to do 2. More stuff is going in. Kumar's already hitting that section. It's a bit of a mess, but it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. All right, another little update. So this is really weird because I can't have it on the holder as like we're moving around a lot. But yeah, so the table's coming up. Now we're just putting the extra support in, because that's going to hold like potential
titans.
Yeah, and we did speak to someone who had a metal Thunderhawk who might come down for a battle report at some point. So that's like what, 12 kilos of metal or something?
Like that.
Yeah. So I want to make sure that's good. And so far we're doing all right. We're doing all right. It's just
it's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. All right. So the supports are on the top and the bottom, and now
we're gonna get this.
Yeah.
Big old MDF sheet.
Yeah.
Just here. Put it down.
Screw it in.
Countersink it, and then get the already laminated MDF and hardwood, and laminate that on top of the thing. That way we have no screw holes in the playing surface, and we're good.
All right. So we've got the first MDF on, and now we're going to put the second one on. It's just gluing it on with the hardboard, so it gets to the desired height that we want, which is I think what 80.
Yeah, 82. I think 82, 83 centimeters tall.
Yeah.
Which is it's right above about good height for us without being hunched over.
Yeah.
While still being good for a seated game if we need be.
Yeah. And there it is. It's done.
One giant 4-foot by 8-foot table with a smooth countertop and no screws.
Yeah. All right. This is going to be good. Sorry, we're moving around because it's very messy. Obviously, we've moved around a lot of stuff. But you guys want battle reports? You guys
get battle reports.
Yeah. So watch this space. There's going to be a bit of a delay until we get there, because obviously I'm finishing up the Grand Cafe project. Kuma's helping me with that because, oh my God, there's a lot to go. But she's a beaut. There's going to be some more stuff on the bottom, but this is what, 150 pounds, not counting the tools?
Yeah, 150, 160 pounds.
Yeah.
Just materials. And yeah.
All right, table's done. I look awful right now. We all do. And it needs to glue up. It's going to take a while. But the idea here is back to battle reports as soon as the cafe project is done. There's like about 100 more minutes just to go, a little bit over. And then battle reports for the old world, 30k, 40k, kill team, all the stuff I wanted to do a few years back prior to COVID, actually. I'm finally going to be able to do. I've got a table that I've got unrestricted access to because it's literally in the living room. So it's going to be great. Watch the space, obviously. It's going to take some time. I've got the Armageddon box. I've got a bunch of units for like 40k armies up and ready to go. Red Corsairs are basically painted. We'll start off with some combat patrol stuff and then jump into like incursion and strike forces. And yeah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Anything in specific you want to see, let me know. And until then, we're going to eat some pizza and then we're going to chill. Because, oh my God, this has been a day. See you guys. Have a good one. Bye.